This wig in particular has a drawstring, and I love the drawstring because it gives a nice snug fit, not a tight fit, a snug fit, so that your wig fits perfectly. Today I'm going to be working with Nadula Hair. They sent over this kinky straight unit. When is the last time y'all seen crimps or waves? I haven't seen them in a minute, and I never wear them myself, but something about this wig just made me want to do crimps. I tried to avoid it. You guys are going to see a lot of trial and error in this video because I'm like, do I want straight? Do I want curls? Do I want this? But this was the style that I had my mind on, and I was trying to avoid it because I was being lazy, but I just realized this is still on. But I had to just go ahead and do it, and I don't regret it. It looks so good, especially with my makeup. Like, it's giving Y2K like glam and hair and just everything. I love it. So shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video and sending over this amazing wig. All the information for this wig will be down in the description box, as well as any products and tools that I use. And keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to be jumping straight into this wig install, and before I do the actual install, I want to show you guys the construction of the wig because I feel like this one is a little bit different than the rest, and with there being so many wigs and so many options, you want to know which one to get. So this wig in particular has a drawstring, and I love the drawstring because it gives a nice snug fit, not a tight fit, a snug fit, so that your wig fits perfectly. As soon as I put it on, I didn't have to do anything. I did not have to add any concealer, no powder, no spray, no anything. Off the rip, the wig looked amazing, and I love that. I'm not one of those people that can wear a wig like that. Like, some people could just put it on and look great. I need to do a little tweaking, but luckily with this wig I did not have to do that. And again, it's such a snug fit. As you guys see me tugging and pulling at my wig, it's not moving. And I need to just interrupt real quick. Make sure you guys use a hot comb because look at the difference. The wig is flat and looks nice and natural. Okay, but anyways, yeah, I highly recommend getting the wigs with the drawstring. Also, it creates a lot less tension on your hair, like the combs and the elastic bands. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, I would definitely check out this wig. So I'm going to start by straightening the wig. I did wash the wig and condition it off camera, and then I blow dried it. And as you can see in the last clip, the blow dry was perfect. I would literally wear my hair like that. It looked good to me. But I just wanted to show you guys the versatility of the wig and the hair, actually, like the hair texture, because this was a kinky texture. So I started off by straightening the hair just to see what the difference was. The luster, is it going to give silk press? Is it going to give this, that? And it definitely straightened very easily, and it had a nice shine and bounce to it once I straightened it. So after I straightened it, I was like, okay, like, what am I gonna do? What is the actual style gonna give Tasha? I went with my regular body wave, like curls, like my loose curls that I do, and I just was like, let me not slack and be lazy, let me do something a little bit different. So I went ahead and did my makeup to get the vibes, and then I came back and straightened it again because it just matched my makeup. And then I had this wild idea. Sorry, I was jamming out, guys, so just ignore me. That's the best way to get ready, okay? Blast some music and get to work. But anyways, then I was like, I have not seen crimps or waves in a while, so I broke out my crimper and I decided to do that. And I am so happy that I did it because it was so cute. It went with the whole look that I was going for after I did my makeup. I know my makeup's a little different than I normally do, like it was really matte and really full coverage and all the things, but if you follow me on TikTok, you'll see why, you'll get the vibes. But yeah, I really loved how it came out, and I did trim the ends because I just wanted it to be nice and full and even, and I somewhat framed my face in the front, but I didn't want to do too much layers because I didn't want the hair to be choppy. And again, I feel like sometimes, like, you guys know I love layers, right? Layers, I'm just a layer girl. But what happens with layers is sometimes it can limit your styling and limit the versatility of the wig. So I just want to keep it subtle just in case I wanted to leave it straight. If I wanted to put some curls, if I wanted to do some waves, I was able to do that. So I just framed it around the face and got to styling. So this was the first look that I did with the wig, like I stated earlier, and I just did my makeup and decided to go ahead and straighten it. I just feel like, do you see the vibes? The straight hair, like hello. But I didn't want to leave it there. I didn't want to bore you guys because I'm like, let's switch it up a little bit more. So I whipped out my waver, crimper, whatever you want to call it. Baby, I have not used that thing in so long. It was actually a little dusty. Y'all are gonna see, like, hold on, there it is. You guys see how much dust I got on it? I didn't even notice till I was running the footage back how dusty it was, but it came in handy. So if you guys have any tools laying around, whip them out. Like, let's use our stuff, let's switch it up, let's stop doing the same old boring hairstyles. Like, look at the waves. It made the hair look so fluffy, so cute, and it crimped perfectly. So I went ahead and did that all over the hair. I was avoiding doing it at first because I was just simply lazy, but I don't regret it at all, and I'm glad that I went through with it because I feel like the final look was amazing. So let me know what you guys prefer. Do you guys like the hair curl? Do you like it straight? Do you like the waves? I'm curious, let me know. And what would you have done if you had this wig? I feel like kinky texture is very similar to our, air quotations, hair texture. So we have a lot of versatility with our hair. We can do anything. We can wear it silky, we can wear it natural, we can wear it blown out, we can wear it kinky, we can wear it up, we can wear it down, we can wear it slick. There's just so many options that we can do. So I truly do enjoy this texture of hair because it's familiar to me. So anyways, I went ahead and quickly did this because child, it was late when I did this. And oh my gosh, side note, the burn on my forehead you guys saw at the beginning, it's now gone. Okay, shout out to the man above. Secondly, I actually did apply this wig on top of my quick weave. That's why the wig cap was looking a little bulky at the beginning. It's because I had my quick weave still. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. And thanks so much for watching. I will leave all the information from Nadula, down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Nadula.